Is it possible to allow specific contacts or numbers to ring on Do Not Disturb mode?
Welcome to this video. Today, we'll be answering the question, is it possible to allow specific contacts or numbers to ring even when my phone is on Do Not Disturb mode? Let's break this down into sections to make it easier to understand.
What is Do Not Disturb mode?
Do Not Disturb mode is a feature found in most smartphones that allows you to silence incoming calls, messages, and notifications. This feature is helpful when you don't want to be disturbed, such as during meetings, while you're sleeping, or when you just need some quiet time.
Can I allow specific contacts or numbers to ring?
Yes, you can. Both iOS and Android devices allow you to create exceptions for specific contacts or numbers while your phone is on Do Not Disturb mode. Let's dive into how to do this on each platform. iOS. How to allow specific contacts to ring on Do Not Disturb mode. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Scroll down and tap on Do Not Disturb. 3. Tap on Allow Calls from. 4. Choose between favorites or groups. 5. Favorites. Add contacts to your favorites list in the phone app, and they will be able to call you even when Do Not Disturb is active. 6. Groups. Create a group in the Contacts app and add the desired contacts. Then, select the group in the Do Not Disturb settings. Android. How to allow specific contacts to ring on Do Not Disturb mode. 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device. 2. Tap on Sounds and Vibration. 3. Tap on Do Not Disturb. 4. Tap on Allow Exceptions. 5. Tap on Calls. 6. Under the Allow Calls section, you can choose between All, Contacts, Starred Contacts, or None. 7. All allows all calls to come through. 8. Contacts only allows calls from people in your contacts list. 9. Starred Contacts allows calls only from your starred or favorite contacts. 10. None blocks all calls. So, to answer the question, yes, it is possible to allow specific contacts or numbers to ring even when your phone is on Do Not Disturb mode. By following the steps outlined above for iOS or Android, you can ensure that important calls reach you, even when you don't want to be disturbed by other notifications.